Is your PS5 displaying content activation failed message with error code CE-105638-3 on PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the console. You mostly get error CE-105638-3 on PS5 when there is a problem verifying your license to access digital content. When you are getting such an error, first restart the game and the console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. So exit the game, then press the PS button on your controller to open the control center. Select power, choose the restart PS5 option. Once the device restarts, launch the game and check if this could resolve the issue. Method 2. Verify the game's compatibility. The next thing you should do is confirm that the game you intend to play is compatible with PS5. Check the game's official website or the PlayStation Store for this information. Game developers usually list system requirements and compatibility details on their websites. Look for any notes or tags that show the game works with the PS5. Method 3. Check your internet connection. The next thing you can do is check the internet connection. You can try connecting other devices to the same network to see if they work properly. You can also open PS5 settings, then head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. You can also connect your service provider for help. Method 4. Check the placement of the device. For better performance and connectivity for your PS5, you should place the device properly. Place the PS5 as close to your router as possible. This should minimize the distance the signal has to travel and can significantly reduce potential connection issues. Additionally, it's important to remove any obstacles that might be obstructing the line of sight between your PS5 and the router. Physical barriers such as walls, furniture, or other electronic devices can interfere with the signal strength and cause connectivity problems. Method 5. Restart the router or modem. The next thing you can do is restart the router or modem. To do that, turn off your router and modem. Wait for a few minutes, turn them back on now and check if that could resolve the issue. Method 6. Enable console sharing and offline play. Next, enable the console sharing and offline play option. To do so, go to Settings, then select Users and Accounts, then Other. Now select Console Sharing and Offline Play and enable Console Sharing and Offline Play settings. Method 7. Restore licenses. The next thing you can do is restore licenses. To do that, open PS5 settings. Then select Users and Accounts and then select Other. Next, select Restore Licenses. Once done, the issue should be resolved. Method 8. Check for updates. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software update. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Method 9. Contact support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, you can visit the PlayStation support page for further assistance. Follow the guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are experiencing content activation failed message with error code CE-105638-3 on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.